So tell us a little bit about the car.
So this is our Dodge A108 69 model, big old box. We started this out by taking it to Roadster Shop. When we got it from the owner, it was all original, run and drive it. Took it straight to them. They scanned the whole bottom of it, built a fast track chassis for it. Penske coilovers, 9-inch rear end, rack and pinion steering. So drivability is there now.
What kind of colors are these?
These are actually custom colors we did with BASF. The original color was a little brighter white and I'd say a dirtier brown gold.
Yeah.
So we just wanted to fine tune that and kind of bring it up to modern colors.
Is that doghouse? Is that part of it? Is that original?
That's original. We look at this van as being just over restored.
So it's mostly original.
It mostly is, yeah. We just fine tune and we machine new pieces versus old pieces. But the doghouse is original. It's just longer now because we moved everything back.
I'm guessing aftermarket support for this isn't where some other cars are.
Right. Luckily, the owner has a couple of these. So if we needed something specific, we could call him and he could find it. The plus side with working with steel rubbers, they worked with what original rubbers we had, and they were able to develop and make new ones for this.
Yeah, you actually helped us get the pop-out windows.
Yeah, and that worked out amazing. And not pumping the brand, absolutely amazing how all of it worked out.
Well, we appreciate it.
It was simply easy to glue them in, and the doors shut just like they're supposed to, and couldn't ask for a better seal.
Well, I mean, it looks like just a super car. It's beautiful. So I want to thank you for your time to talk to us and show us around the car.
No, I appreciate everything and all the support and getting all the gaskets made.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.